Hello, my name is LaShawn and I'm the owner of Carterandcandlestick. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing some luxury candle vessels. And I can't wait to show you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, we're going to get right into this. So today's unboxing is going to be from a product I never bought from. Captivating Candle Supplies. I don't know if you can see that. This is a company based in Georgia. I found this on one of my Facebook groups, DIY Candle Supplies. I think I'm going to list that down below. I'm going to also list this company down below. This is the first time that I've ever ordered any vessels from them. Usually I get my vessels from Candle Science, and I'm going to do a whole review on that as well. But I really wanted to show you these because I'm really excited to open up the box. I ordered 3 colors, so they have 7. So I wrote some stuff down, so I'm going to give you a rundown real quick. I ordered from the Dynasty collection from Captivating Candle Supply. There's 7 colors. There's silver, rose gold, pink, iridescent, which is clear, gold, white, and coral pink. And out of the 7, I ordered 3. I ordered the rose gold, silver, and I ordered the pink. They measure in height 5.11 inches, width 3.34 inches, and it holds 8 ounces, and it's a 1-wick vessel. The price for their vessels range from about $4.75, to $5 for 1 vessel. And unlike other candle suppliers where you can get 12 for like $20, these you buy individually. But I do believe on their website, if you buy a certain amount, that you get a discount after that. But I only bought a couple of each of these vessels. So we're going to get into it. I'm excited to show you what I got. Okay, so they come in these little brown boxes, and so we're going to open them up and see what we got. All right, so the first one, I already opened it up off camera because they are packaged in there pretty tightly, so I didn't feel like opening them up on camera. So, but they come in this box, and this is what it looks like. This is the silver. Get into it. It has a raised edge. Here's what it looks like inside. Here's the top. These are quite sturdy. Here goes the bottom. So this is the silver one. I don't know if you can hear that little bit of ASMR for you. Don't mind my nails. That's my business. And my tap of the brown voice. But yeah, here goes the silver. Next one that I bought is the rose gold. These, when I tell you, the quality on these are amazing. They are heavy. They feel thick and sturdy. It looks like some kind of polish coating on the inside. They are beautiful. Here they go. The top. There goes the bottom. The bottom is kind of like it caves in just slightly. And you can definitely probably only single wick these. I'm going to test them to, I'm going to test them to see how those are. And here's the pink. The pink is a little bit more translucent if you can see my fingers on the bottom. Not as heavy as the rose gold and the silver. Here goes the top. Here goes that. Still good quality, still thick. This is a little bit concave. Now, how to label these. I probably would label these 2 different ways. I would either do a string tie label, or I would label the bottom with the warning label and then your business names and the scent name. I would put all the information on the bottom. So you can label these 2 ways. I would never put a plastic or any kind of label on the actual vessel because these are great vessels. Again, I got these from Captivating Candle Supplies. They hold 8 ounces. These are the luxury candle vessels. These are beautiful. When I say these are gorgeous, these are gorgeous. I'm going to start testing these soon to see what wicks would fit. I primarily use coconut soy wax, but I also have some 444 soy wax and 464 wax I'm going to test in just to see what wax works better. I also use typically CD wicks and HTP. Sometimes I use Eco wicks. So Those are primarily some of the wicks that I use. But I'm going to test Eco, HDP, and CD, and I'm going to test in these vessels coconut soy and 464 soy to see what is. I'm leaning more towards the coconut soy because coconut soy, in my opinion, don't shoot the messenger, is a little bit more luxury, and because these vessels are luxury, most likely a higher quality wax would be necessary. But again, these are from Captivating Candle Supply, located in Georgia. This is the Dynasty collection. They come in 7 colors. I bought 3. This is one of the colors. This is the silver. I bought the rose gold, which is giving me more pinky than rose gold, but it's still beautiful. And I bought the pink one, which is a little bit more clear and iridescent than the silver and the rose gold, but all 3 are beautiful. I can't wait to test, get into those, and let you guys know how they work out. Thank you so much for viewing my video. If you made it this far, please like, subscribe, share the video. This is a new channel. I'm trying to get the word out there. Spread the love. Thank you for watching. Trim your wick. Get lit with Carter and Candlestick. Bye, guys.